Trying to choose tomatoes for your garden and feeling overwhelmed? With hundreds of options, heirlooms, hybrids, determinates, indeterminates, it's easy to want to give up before you've planted a single seed. Here's how to ignore most of that and find the right tomato for you. Not every tomato is happy in every garden. That's why the best advice always comes from gardeners who live right in your area. If a variety works for them, it'll likely work for you too. Cherry tomatoes are about the size of a big grape, in red, orange, pink, mahogany, or green. SunGold is known for being sweet but tangy, and the bush produces hundreds of orange fruits, so you're not short on harvest. Heirlooms are open-pollinated varieties that are 40 years old or more, saved and passed down because the flavor is worth it. Flavor varies by color. Green tomatoes have a bit of tang, purple tomatoes have a complex flavor, and yellow tomatoes are milder. Staples worth knowing: Bonny best, an early variety; black from Tula, a Ukrainian variety with rich, complex flavor; and Evergreen, a long-time favorite. The trade-off: heirlooms aren't as disease-tolerant as modern hybrids, and they're not as productive. Buying seeds gives you far more variety choice, but you'll need to start them indoors before setting plants outside. Seedlings are sold at garden centers, and many seed houses sell transplants by mail too. The real advantage of buying local: your garden center already knows which varieties do well in your specific area. Easy and reliable: SunGold. Chasing real flavor: an heirloom like Bonny best, black from Tula, or Evergreen. Many gardeners grow both.